Hi kids, it is I, your teacher, Miss Irwin, coming at you live from my house. No, I'm just kidding, this is not live. I'm way too scared for that. I would never do that. But I did want to make this little video for you to say hi and kind of give you a tutorial on what you guys are going to be doing today, kind of check in with you sort of, being that it's the middle of the week. But before we get started, let's do ourselves a favor and let's take a moment to say thank you to whoever is covering my social studies class right now. So let's say thank you to that teacher. Thank you. Okay, so you guys say thank you. Did you say thank you? All right, because I guarantee that whoever's covering my class right now, they definitely have other things they'd rather be doing. But instead they're there with you, which I'm sure is a lot of fun, but yeah, what are you gonna say? I wish I could be there with you. I'm sorry that I'm not. So we gotta say thank you, we gotta be grateful, and we gotta make the most of this situation. So this is what you guys are going to be learning about today. It's called the Columbian Exchange. And basically what happened was back in the 1500s, starting with, that's right, Columbus, Christopher Columbus, you ever heard of him? Jerk. Starting back in the 1500s, our explorers from the old world, the Eastern Hemisphere, they're going to be coming over to the New World, checking things out, claiming land for the countries that they're coming from, colonizing, right? And when they do this, they're going to bring plants, animals, goods, and new cultures to this hemisphere that had never seen it before. And when they return back to the old world, they're going to be bringing things that are native to this land with them. So the basic definition of the Columbian Exchange is the movement of plants and animals and diseases between the Eastern and Western Hemisphere. Basically, this whole idea is that throughout the world, we have now spread different species, plants, animals, diseases, but then also, types of culture like inventions and ideas, languages, okay? Just think about it, right? Like this language I'm speaking right now here in Colorado, this language is not native to this land, right? So we're bringing these new things over and they have affected the environment. Which theme of geography are we talking about today? That's right, movement. I knew you could get it. You're so smart. So what you're going to do today is you're going to be kind of going in depth with this phenomenon that's going to happen all throughout the 1500s when we're moving all of these new things all around the globe and the effect that we're going to see today. You are going to be filling out this Google Doc of various questions all about the super fun topic of the Columbian Exchange. Hooray! And you can fill out this document directly on your iPad, or if you want to write your answers out on a different piece of paper, that's fine too. But I would like you to please put your name here because you're going to submit this to me on Google Classroom or you're going to turn it in a hard copy on my teacher desk and I need to see all of your beautiful work. And basically, if you look here, you'll see we have some websites. Go to blah, blah, blah. Okay, we scroll down. Oh, these questions go to blah, blah, blah. These questions go to blah, blah, blah. So it gives you hints of how to navigate this website, which is where you're going to find all of the answers. So you want to make sure to pay attention to where the questions are directing you, okay? These websites here. My final little thing to say is that, yes, you may work with a partner, but you must fill out your own sheet. Everyone must turn in their own sheet, whether it's digitally through Google Classroom or you fill out a hard copy and you turn it in to the box on my desk. You must turn it in by the end of class, whether you finish or not. I want to see how far everybody got, and I'm going to see how well we did, and there will be prizes. Stay tuned. So good luck. Have fun. I miss you. Bye.